guys, Bullet here. I have this 2005 Lexus RX330. License plate bulbs are out. Really easy to replace. Let me show you. We turn on the lights. Okay, lights are on. As you can see. But both of the license plate bolts are out. Really easy to replace. I have the 0 T10 or 194 LEDs. The only thing that we need to do is pull on this little panel really careful because it's an old vehicle, 2005, so maybe you're gonna break some clips. Not sure. We're gonna try that, but we're gonna pull on it. We're gonna get access to the bolts. Few clips right here. Sometimes the clips fell off or they get stuck on top. In this case, this one kind of damaged, but I have few. I'm gonna replace these. This one is the one that broke. This one goes in here. Same thing for this. Put them back, and really easy to put it back. Just line them up, pull it inside here first, and then start pushing on it so you get the clips in place. Once you do that, you're gonna have access to the bolts. The connectors are right there. Twist it and pull it out. That's one, and that's the second one. Twist it going upwards. On this one, same thing, going up, push it up. Really hard to get to it with the camera in the other hand. But once you twist it, you're gonna get access to the bolts. You can see right there, both of them are out. So now we're gonna put LEDs. They work fine. Now let's put it back on. And there you have it. That's how easy you replace license plate bolts. But I don't want to go with the original ones. I prefer to use LEDs. Link is gonna be in the description for these LEDs from Mach-Zero, 194 or T10s. Now that we finish the installation, just grab that cover. Like I said, put it inside here first, and then just push it on so all the clips they're gonna go in. I gotta replace this one. I have to replace this one. I have to remove this one, put it back on the panel. Once I do that, close it, and that's it. Installation is done. Kind of hard to put it back on and twist it. Probably you're gonna have more access by removing this one, but I don't see the point on pull it on this one and break more clips. I don't want to do that. You get enough access by removing this. So there you have it. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.